Hello viewers, welcome to NRG Healthcare. I am Dr. Akila. Today we will discuss the reason for cough and sneeze. Normally, when there is air going in and out of the breathing tube, there is no problem. But if there is any foreign material, including dust or germs or foreign body or food particles which enter the breathing tube, we tend to cough. Why it happens, how it happens? Normally the air gets filtered in the nose, in the hair follicles. So whenever there is a dust particle in the nose, we sneeze and bring it out. If the dust particle enters the back of the throat and into the breathing tube, normally the breathing tube has a mucus secretion which stuck to the foreign particle and doesn't allow it to go further down. The third thing is the important thing. There are receptors in the breathing tube which sends a signal to the brain saying that there is a foreign body. So the brain gives order to the muscles in the chest to contract or squeeze. So it creates pressure and then the cough comes. When the cough comes, this foreign material comes out. So anytime there is small cough or clearing of throat or sneezing, occasional is normal. But if the cough persists, we need to look for the reason for the cough. So during the next subsequent videos, we will discuss about the causes of cough and what are the cough we need to be very careful about. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share with your friends.